Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring you have an administrator account and a recent backup of theme settings. Once done, you avoid accidental data loss. Next, close the theme store, browser, and any theme editors so files aren't locked. Now open Settings and go to Apps or Applications, then list installed apps. Search for Theme Store or its package name. This first sequence gets you into the right place, and it prevents permission and file access errors when you remove the component. Once you find Theme Store, tap Uninstall. If the option is Disable, choose Remove or use Package Manager for full deletion. Before confirming, clear cache and data to avoid leftover files. This reduces the chance of corrupt configs. If the system flags dependent services, inspect them. Some are safe to remove, while others provide theme previews. Make sure to uninstall only unused dependencies, otherwise you might lose functionality. This step eliminates the main app and tidies up associated resources. After uninstalling, reboot the device to let the system restore defaults and clear residual references. Once restarted, verify the user interface reverted to the default theme and restore any backed up settings if necessary. If you see missing icons or crashes, reinstall the theme store briefly and then uninstall again using safe mode or ADB tools to force removal. This fixes permission or process lock problems. One key troubleshooting tip: use safe mode to prevent third-party services from blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.